You could become a millionaire with NFTs and DeFi. With the recent spike in Ethereum and all-around crypto market prices, many investors are claiming that this is the end of the bearish market and the start of the next bull cycle. The DeFi marketplace has started to kick up again, with NFTs seeing some impressive shifts in trading prices. Although NFTs saw their largest boom across the former half of 2020, recently analytics have revealed that the sector has seen nothing but continued growth across 2021. With the global crypto markets returning to form, are NFTs the most profitable decentralized opportunity right now? And what sectors of the NFT marketplace should retail investors be looking at right now? Great of you to join us today at No Cap Crypto. Today, we'll be focusing heavily on the NFT sector and the most exciting projects available in the space. We've started to see NFTs enter many other blockchain protocols as well as enter the mainstream focus. Stick around till the end of this video because we have some very exciting opportunities in store for you today. NFTs have really opened the cryptocurrency doors to many traditional investors. Nowhere near as speculative as cryptocurrencies, NFTs allow investors to see, hear, and experience the assets they're purchasing, allowing users to buy and sell provable, authentic, and immutable verifiable assets. There are currently plenty of artists across the NFT space, ranging from world-renowned pop stars such as Katy Perry to Grimes. We're also seeing more official sports governing bodies entering the space and releasing officially licensed NFT products of iconic sporting moments. The most recent news is the celebrity billionaire Mark Cuban and his most bullish comments regarding the NFT space. Comparing the most billionaire and business magnates, which remain sinfully out of touch with the blockchain space, Cuban has always maintained close ties with the latest tech and finance developments. Cuban actually went on record and said that if he could structure his business again, he would center it entirely around blockchain technology, smart contracts, and NFTs. With a famously publicly visible blockchain wallet, analysts have seen Cuban double down on his NFT investments and hold many more stakes in these DeFi companies. Already maintaining holdings in huge NFT projects such as SuperRare, Mintable, CryptoSlam, and OpenSea, this is a great sign of how the rest of us should really be considering the NFT space. This proof extends far beyond the investment strategy of Mark Cuban. The most renowned Ethereum blockchain tracker is Etherscan, and through accessing the gas tracker, it's clear to see that OpenSea gas fees alone account for a whopping 20% of the entire Ethereum ecosystem. OpenSea currently sits as the biggest NFT marketplace. Uniswap is a close second, but a little down the list, and we see token addresses for Cyberpunks and Axie Infinity, another two NFT-based applications. It should be clear to see that the majority of the Ethereum ecosystem's transactional volume surrounds the NFT sector. Although Axie Infinity and many other projects utilize an interesting NFT gamification strategy, many investors are seeing insanely high returns on purely minting and selling NFT assets. We're seeing more and more opportunities from the likes of Bored Ape Yacht Club and the biggest NFT project right now, CryptoPunks. CryptoPunks, Bored Ape Yacht Club, and similar offerings follow the vein of CryptoKitties, the original NFT gaming opportunity, presenting a collection of thousands upon thousands of randomly generated and unique characters whose value varies according to how rare their minted traits are. Although many new projects are arising that are netting investors and minters some healthy returns on their initial investments, it really was CryptoPunks that innovated and really exploded into the sector. There are currently 10,000 CryptoPunks in circulation with around 3,000 owners. The total volume of Ethereum traded of CryptoPunks so far is a whopping 380,000. That is the movement of roughly $1.5 billion worth of assets. Right now, the price floor of these CryptoPunks is around $250,000 compared to the initial minting cost of around $200. CryptoPunks actually made headlines recently when the global financial payment protocol giant, Visa, actually purchased the CryptoPunk NFT for a whopping $150,000. One of the cheaper NFT assets from the project, Visa is now the proud owner of a woman with clown green eyes, red lipstick, and a mohawk. Visa's head of crypto went on record stating NFTs will play an important role in the future of retail, social media, entertainment, and commerce. With our CryptoPunk purchase, we're jumping in feet first. This is just the beginning of our work in this space. As with anything across crypto, a good idea to see copycats as soon as possible. It should come as no surprise that one of the hottest new NFT copycats, or should I say copy dogs, is the Doge Pound project, bringing great artwork and yet another 10,000 unique NFT assets. The Doge Pound currently maintains a price floor of around 1.3 ETH with a total volume traded of 7 ETH. Considering how new the project is, the offering is performing reasonably well, with Doge assets showing slight bumps in valuation and trading prices. Fun, lighthearted, and we all know that crypto traders love anything Doge related. These assets are very much undervalued right now in this extremely speculative market sector. This could perhaps be the perfect time to get involved. Unfortunately, the largest hurdle for any NFT asset across the Ethereum ecosystem is the notoriously high gas fees and transactional time. It's a seriously congested network that's currently seeing some major overhauls. Although Ethereum sits as the king of the NFT space, many newer blockchain protocols are integrating and creating their very own non-fungible token opportunities that could see investors in some serious returns. But before we get into that, we need to ask, hey, are you liking the video so far? If so, I have good news. Make sure you like and subscribe to No Cap Crypto because we release videos like this every week. Also, comment below and let us know about your NFT holdings, and make sure to stay to the end to not miss anything important. Although NFTs are able to offer us provable, authentic, and unique assets that we can verifiably own, the same cannot be said for NFT projects. Every single great idea across crypto immediately gets pushed aside with countless copycat projects, but it seems as though the Ethereum blockchain is arguably one of the biggest detractors for the entire NFT sector. The Binance Smart Chain has really exploded since its creation, with many seasoned crypto investors opting to operate within that ecosystem over Ethereum. As such, we've seen the birth of Binance Crypto Punks, a very similar NFT opportunity that could potentially see comparable returns that we have witnessed with CryptoPunks. The company behind the original CryptoPunks project, Lava Labs, was not happy with the Binance CryptoPunks, but it's very little to nothing they can actually do about it. Regardless, the project is still operating well and seeing some impressive increases in asset valuation. Either way, the fact that we're returning to a bear market and the fact that NFTs are seeing the highest levels of growth is what many investors are finding most astounding, with many analysts still unsure as to what the true value behind these speculative investment opportunities truly is. One thing is for certain, if you're looking to start accumulating NFTs, this might be your last chance. Let us know what you think about today's daily dose of fresh news from the NFT sector in the comments below. Keep in mind, I'm not a financial advisor and that this video exists purely for educational purposes. Please do your own research and make your own intelligent financial decisions. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on our next video, and I'll see you in the next one.